Okay, in this tutorial today we're going to be looking at using Windows Movie Maker to edit your Marvin animations. A few people have written in basically saying that they can see their desktop at the start of their animations, and some even at the end of the animations as well. This happens occasionally depending on how fast your computer starts up and so on and so forth, and there's actually an easy way to actually get rid of them using Windows Movie Maker, which is a free software application. So if you haven't got it, you can download it from the Microsoft website under the Windows Live Essential package. You can see down here that we have a few different software packages that come with it. You can just get Movie Maker if you like, or Messenger and so on and so forth, but this is where you download it from here. So go ahead and download that and install it, and once you've done that, we can actually jump in and show you how it all works. Okay, just going to show you what we're actually talking about here. So I'm just going to press play. Okay, so that's my very short animation. If you notice right at the start here, let's see if we can drag this back a little bit, you can see that it's actually recorded the actual website that I was actually on at the time. Okay, so there's a few seconds there. So I need to get rid of that, obviously, to make it look a lot better. So let me just get rid of that now. Okay, so I'm going to open up Windows Movie Maker. Okay, so this is the screen here. I won't take you around everything that's on the screen here. I just want to show you the basics of what we have. So I've got my moose animation. Okay, so I'm just going to drag that in and drop it in this area here. There we are. So this is my animation here. If I press play, once again you can see it playing there. It's not very long, it's just a very basic animation at this stage. Okay, so like I was saying, we need to get rid of that first part. Okay, so basically to here. So you can scrub by pressing on the scrub button here and holding down, and you can drag the scrub playhead to where you want to edit it. Okay, so it's simple as that. So get it into the position that you want to edit, and then click on edit up here. Now there's a couple of things that we can do here. We can trim the point so that we just end up with this last section here, or we can split it, so we can split it into two. Now in this case I'm just going to actually trim, or I'm going to set the start point at this stage. So I'm just going to press set start point. Okay, so you can see now the scrub, or the playhead, is right back now, and it goes all the way through, and we don't have any at the end there, so that's pretty straightforward. Okay, now that we've actually done that, we can go ahead and export it back out. Okay, so we can actually go to Save Movie, which gives us a few different options here, ranging from high definition 1080p through to standard definition, and even onto portable devices and email. So you can actually make it a lot smaller, so it's easy to email out to people. So this is another great feature of Movie Maker. Another thing we can do, we can actually export straight out to YouTube as well if you set it all up correctly. So please be aware of that. Okay, so I can basically press Save Movie, Standard Definition. Okay, and it's actually going to output it as a WMV file. Okay, so it's a Windows Media video file. Okay, so I'm going to put that onto my desktop. I'll just call it My Movie, that's fine, and press Save. So it goes ahead and saves it. Brilliant. Says it's complete, and I'm just going to go close because I want to open it up in Windows Media Player. There it is there, and we'll see now that it doesn't have the screen at the start there. So that's how you can get around with editing the start of your Marvin animations.